the right size lathe for the job. This is an older version of a mini lathe, and it works just great. So what I'm building today is, gotta drill him too. I drill and tap these. They're for a radio. Here's one that's finished. He's finished. I'll make about 8 of them. So far, so good. And I drill a hole for tapping 1/4 inch. So I made 8 of these guys. Tighten that up. Let's see. How many lathes do I have here? I got 3. That's for longer stuff over there. Quite long bars. What's the swing on that? 1, 2, 3, about 8 inch. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 7 inch? Something like that anyway. I got a controller here. Turn it on. Chuck key out of the thing. I'll drill a hole for 1/4 inch thread. That's for the hole. How are we doing here? Another lathe here. A little bigger. Another one over here. What's that? Got 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lathes here. 4. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I haven't funded all of this. Oh, that should be okay. I don't know what to do. Yeah, okay. Hang on. Okay. Just a little more. There we go. Turn it off. Perfect hole size for threading. 1/4 inch national course. Course doctor. There's a split bed lathe there. Here's that long one. I have up here another one. It's called Miniature Machine Shop. I think I got one and a milling machine. This little guy here, a tiny mill there I made. What else we got here? Okay, so Here's this antique. It works good. I got this one for all the weird stuff. This one I built myself, this lathe. Oh, what else we got? How many lathes we got here? Another split bed. Nice lathe. There's that headstock I want to convert into a headstock. It's out of a CNC machine that weighs a couple £100. I think it'd be great for milling or drilling or whatever. What have I got here? I got another lathe. A micro lathe, sorta. Another one here. And for really fine work, I got these lathes, a bunch of these guys. They call them watchmaker lathes. And mill over there. Okay. We get it a bigger lathe. Like 9,000 pounders. Got that lathe. Oh, this is for bigger work. A general good size. 20 inches by 80 inches. Very heavy. About 9,000 pounds. I got this guy here. Medium. The general work. I have used this one, a big fella, for a few things, and this one I use quite a bit. Drilling machine, big fella. Milling machine. Another lathe here, yeah. Moving around. How many other lathes I got, huh? Antique belt driven. Or foot driven. I can sit there and put a chair in here and drive it by foot if I need to, if the power ever goes out. What else I got in here? More milling machines, a drilling machine. All kinds of cool attachments too, shapers too. Baby shaper. Metal shaper, yeah. 2 of those. The bigger one here. That's about right. Although I always wanted to get a 24-inch. What else I got? I got all the attachments. Can do anything. Cutting machine, another milling machine, little one, bigger one, indexing head, tooling, all the cool stuff, right? Yeah, I often wish I had an overhead crane. Some of the bigger things I did. Ah, that's a lot of tonnage in there. A lot of tonnage in there. More metal cutting stuff down here. What else? Lots. Building something. More cutting stuff here. More grinders and black belt antique stuff. Oh, that looks cool like that, huh? I got about 12 of these split bed lathes because I think they're neat and they're fun to play with and restore and build. And workbench. Drill press. I've been busy, as you can tell. I made these the other day. Not threaded, I press fitted them. 4 legs, chunk of wood, Both on. Good shelving. So I'm busy. I'm always busy. Busybody. John's a busybody. What is that? Oh, I see. Okay. Well, okay, I gotta go.